Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to change your password on MetaMask. It's easy to get this done. Open up your MetaMask application. As you can see here, I have my app installed. So once you've opened up your MetaMask account, make sure you have your information backed up, like your secret phrase. To be able to change your password, it's easy to get that done. The gear icon at the bottom right, click on this gear icon where we have security and privacy. Click on security and privacy. When you scroll down, you'd find the change password option. Now, before you use the change password option, make sure you have your password at hand or you had copied your secret recovery phrase, as this would all help in case you can't change your password any longer. By having your secret recovery phrase, you could easily get access to your account. So when you click on change password, all you need to do now is confirm your password. So I'll be entering the password for my account. And once you've entered the password, all you need to do is put in a new passcode and simply confirm the new passcode. Once it's been confirmed, you could click on I understand and reset your password by matching your new password with your confirmed password. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can change password on MetaMask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.